Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Scarbone back here with another video, and today I'm just gonna prove to y'all that trading is a reality. Now, who am I, bro? I'm a nobody, just like you. I'm no one special, you know. I just figured it out. I'm gonna prove to you guys that trading is a possibility. It's a reality. It's not. I won't say it's easy, but once you figure it out, it is easy. You don't have to listen to me, but this is all the proof you need that this shit works. December, I made my first $10,000 in trading, and then January, I made $100,000. And then I've kind of been on a losing streak. February, I think I made 30,000. And then this month I'm actually down 30k, so I lost all the profits in February. But I'm making this video just to show you guys that this shit is a reality. If you want to make 10k a month, it's actually not that hard. It's just scalability, and unfortunately you do need money to scale, so that's another thing. The thing is, right now I am starting off at zero. I blew all my accounts and shit, but I just got Lucid. This is my first time getting Lucid, actually. I did get him before, but I blew that account. I blew the eval, but I decided let's go instant funding to see how fast I can get a payout and show you guys that this shit is a reality. I'm gonna be doing a lot of risk management, strictly following my rules and showing you guys every single thing. I'm not gonna sugarcoat. This last month and this month has been a bit, bad, but because I got these Lucid accounts, I want to show y'all that like y'all can make this shit a reality. By the way, I'm about to head out. I'm about to go get my dress uniform and shit. That's why I'm kind of rushing this. And this is just the intro to this whole entire series, I want to call it. Just like you, I want trading to work, so I found a strategy that I understand, that I like. $100,000 is a lot of money, but yeah, I've done it and I have proof of it, and I've documented every single trade, every single loss, every single win, every single account. Everything is documented on my computer. I have proof for it all. I want to try a new challenge of trying to do it slowly and not risking a shit ton. I want to see by the end of the month if I could get a payout across at least the Lucid accounts, because right now the Apex accounts are down like 500 more dollars, and those accounts are gone. And then, like I said, I blew my other top steps, so I only have one. And because the reason why I have that is because I love the top step like platform, and I want to stick to that. So I actually have a copy trader that's copy trading all the accounts, and yeah, right now my goal is trying to get a payout with Lucid, and I want to use top steps thing to trade. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my dress uniform and shit, and yeah, by the way, the Discord is very, very brain rot, so I don't encourage this, but I'm gonna try to be serious when I'm in the Discord. And I don't want you guys to join my Discord because you guys will make me brain rot. So don't join the Discord. It's in the description below. I don't give signals, and I don't have a course, so don't ask. And I'm not selling shit neither, so don't ask, okay? This trading shit is easy. But yeah, I'm gonna prove to you guys that y'all can do this too, and all it takes is to believe in yourself, have a strategy, proper risk management, and I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm done, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna catch you guys, all right? Cool. So last night I was targeting these highs, and in the afternoon, we took that high. So what this looks like is we're clearly we're on a downtrend. We took this high, so now I think the next draw on liquidity is this low right here. Because we took this low, closed below it, and respected this fair value gap, I think we can sell off and take this low. But this would be like for just like, I wouldn't say anything more, like stops at these highs, and then we just target the low. Because overall, we're clearly in a downtrend. We haven't shown signs of us trying to go up yet. I would say if we inverse this fair value gap and close above this high, and then maybe trade into a fair value gap to go higher. Like if we do something like this, we inverse, maybe break above, we could probably potentially break orb, come back, fill a fair value gap right here. Then we can think about entering longs with the stop loss at the low, and then we could potentially
Mm.
target like a high somewhere. I think this high is too much of a stretch right now, considering that we have already taken it, and that's also another reason why I don't think price is gonna go up from there right now. We are also kind of inversing. We did actually. So if we're inversing this because we have already closed above it, if we're inversing it, and we respect that, then it's a high chance that this will continue higher. We might get that closure above, and then we might continue higher. But the way it's looking, the trend is literally down. Like this is clear. Like we're literally going down. And I would say this 15-minute I mean this 15-minute for value gap already got like already did its job by getting filled and then taking this high. So this,
Mhm.
I mean, that I wouldn't say is another one we can use. I mean, Kel would use that. He would say, "Yeah, I will buy from there." But
I'm not planning on buying from. I'm planning on buying from like lower,
yeah,
around around that price. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I'm
yeah.
planning on
I
buying.
mean, it's valid. I would say. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's valid just strictly because this fair value gap got respected, and then we took this high, and now the trend is now down.
So I want to enter in price around, yeah, around that area where the fair value gap is.
I mean,
So I'll love to enter around there, and then push for longs, target a reasonable high.
don't you think it's there's a possibility that we could take shorts into that? Like, don't you? If you're expecting to buy
Yeah,
from there, wouldn't you look for a setup to like sell in there?
the sales will occur when market drops above 24760 or something around that area.
I mean, yeah, if we show signs of price wanting to, reverse and go
Mm.
higher, then yeah, I would agree with you on that.
But if we see that there's still good amount of rejection, and then I'll take the sales of that area, then I'll target any reasonable low I see.
Yeah, like this low. Shit,
Gotta be patient.
yeah, I really like the cells a lot. If we could just manipulate a high, I might just hop in immediately, target these lows. Like this, definitely want to take shorts to these lows. See, can you manipulate it the high? What's good, Kel? Bro, you said 4 hour for a value gap? Bro, I was telling
Wait, wait,
Kenny
wait,
that
wait.
he was gonna manipulate the highs and then go lower. Why do you think it's gonna go higher?
Bro,
Oh, you
I think
have
he
a
huh?
clears
limit.
this and then
It'll
go
Bro,
go
up
what are
to
back
you talking
up.
this
about?
That's
these high.
valid. That's valid. That's valid.
Heaven
I
is
have
isn't the
stop
same thing I just said,
loss.
right?
That's exactly
I
what
have
you
a
said,
32
but in a
point stop
better.
loss.
But it's a better, yeah, Kel's own is a better position, huh?
Yeah, but it's the same shit like you said. His is just in a higher time frame, bro. But I
Okay,
was
okay, okay,
telling
okay, okay.
y'all, bro, like we're gonna like this shit is good because we could sell off. I told you, Kenny, we're gonna manipulate the highs and fucking sell off. Kel even, bro, Kel said it before you even joined, bro. Oh my gosh. I mean, you guys are trying to buy down there, and you guys know price is gonna go down there. So I want to take shorts. My bias is
So,
shorts. Like,
There was an inversion, I think.
so like going
Is
to
it
take
up
shots to
or
our
something?
entry.
yeah, bro.
I got respected. There was a 5 minute that got respected. I thought maybe he was gonna get inversed, but then it also got respected again.
I wanted that to hold. I wanted that to be like, oh yeah, we're still trending down. Like we're gonna hold that. It's not even my like strat, bro. I've already seen the manipulation at the high, so that's my first confirmation. Like price is gonna continue lower. I don't want this low to get taken yet. I need an entry. I need price to go up before it sells off. Cause bro, I'm telling you, like this shit is about like I won't say it's gonna go down like forever, but it's probably gonna sell off. Like you guys are looking at it like trying to buy at the dip, but I'm looking at it as trying to get an entry to the dip. You know what I mean? Right? Cause like right now, you guys are basically like swing trading, bro. Y'all, I get it. You're looking at the 4 hour. No, I get it. Like you're looking at the 4 hour, which is good to see like where price definitely wants to go, like getting your biases and shit. And that's really understandable, bro. So I mean, even in the 4 hour, it's clear we're still in a downtrend. So like, like, bro, I feel like we're gonna go and fill that fair value gap. I want to trade into it. I don't even want to trade all the way into it. I just want to trade to the low minimum at the low. Might have to look for an entry in a 1 minute.
Fair value gap right here. I think it's gonna inverse it, the 1 minute one.
Yeah,
1 minute
in
fair
the one
value
minute,
gap.
so have it.
That is okay. Now we're talking. That is now looking like a good entry. If we inverse that shit, and it does look like we're respecting this one right here. So if we can potentially inverse it, and then I would sell once it comes back into it, so that I can have my stop loss at the high that we just made in the 1 minute. Then that would look good.
Mhm.
I need to be patient, bro. Patience will pay off. Got 1 more minute before I can press a button, dude. You don't know how badly I wanted to sell. Maybe it's a sign not to sell. What you thinking?
Really?
Dude, this would have been my entry. Let me share something with you, Heaven.
Yeah, please give me your insights.
I just marked this. I felt like this was like a change in
Stay
I
delivery.
guess. So yeah, I marked this,
Mm,
and if I, off my bias, I was gonna go lower. So when it reached it, I probably would have sold. That's just me just being dumb though. Like I probably wouldn't.
that's what I wanted to sell there.
My computer's
Stops at the
amazing.
high, so I think I'm gonna
My
do
computer.
it. I would have already. Should have. Should have. Could have. Should have. Could have. Would have. Should have. Could
Because
have.
if it went over this line right here, it would have been like if it went like higher above this, then
Order filled.
Yeah,
the buys
whatever.
over here would
I'm in. I'm in. Please tell me I'm copy trading, and
What
I am
about me?
copy trading. So
What about me?
playing off that inversion, stops at the high, and I want to see price go lower.
This should be.
I mean, that was an inversion. I think the inversion is confirmed, so it's probably
Yeah.
gonna go lower now, I think.
I do want it. I do expect price to come up higher a little bit, just to fill that inversion a little bit more. But if it doesn't, cool.
Oh,
Yep,
let's go.
nice. But yeah, if we my take profit is
Oh my
that
God, my
low.
entry.
Yeah, so I was expecting it to come up a little bit. Okay, so we are looking good for these sells. So now what I'm expecting is price to break orb and have a fair value gap in the process of breaking it. Oh, you should have been in it.
Fuck's my mouse, bro. I need it.
Bro, like,
Yeah, yeah. Keep
found my
keep
mouse.
pushing that bit.
yeah,
I
I'm
forgot.
I
Keep
found my
pushing
mouse.
that bit.
gonna see if we can push down here.
Yeah, I think around the area that's my entry
What, for the buys or the sells?
for buys. I mean, the sales already happened, so
Yeah,
I wanted to get in, but
we need this shit
So
to drop. I'm gonna move my stop loss to 200, 210.
yeah.
Bro, I feel like this is like hopes and dreams with this take profit down here though. And guys, like I thought it was hopes and dreams, but this shit hit full TP right when I got out, bro. And I won't say right when I got out because it did go back up and retest orb and the fair value gap that got left, which was the entry criteria that is part of my strat. And it entered literally sniper entry off the middle of that fair value gap and went straight to where I was saying hopes and dreams. And it's crazy I could have made like 3K if I did use 2 contracts, but it is what it is. I made money, so I'm not really all that mad. I'm just wow, like it's crazy, bro. But yeah, bro, it's all good. It's all good. We made bread. Like I believe
It's
it could
not.
take that low too, and the fact that you guys have already confirmed that yeah, we could definitely come lower to this 30-minute fair value gap, and even this hourly, I mean 4 hour fair value gap is like is cool. Like I understand that's definitely a possibility, but like why in my head does it looks like hopes and dreams? Like I just dragged that shit to the bottom, bro. There we
I'm gonna go
go.
clock in.
I'm break even
What?
because I do believe
All
price
right.
will
Yeah.
now. It might come up. Respect the fair
Mm-hmm.
value gap. Right now, we're showing signs of a clear like market structure shift to the downside. And with my strat, 15-minute orb, I do expect price to retest the orb before going lower. It would be nice if it just goes straight to TP, but knowing these markets, definitely probably not going to do that. We better choose wisely, and we thank the Lord God Almighty.
Yeah, I think that is. Yep. Having that should be your take profits.
Yeah, you might be
Mm.
right here.
Yeah, that's
Oh, I'm out. I took 300.
yeah. I think that is good.
Yeah, I probably should have just taken profit at that low that I was telling you on.
So I think let me go to 1 minute for an entry real quick.
I haven't even traded yet, bro. Like this is hurting me, bro, really bad.
I would say wait for a retest. I think we might get a
Yeah, I'm gonna wait,
retest
bro.
on the orb, and we're also gonna form a fair value gap. I low key might do a re-entry there. I'm not even gonna hold you. Hey, this looks like entry to me.
For the sales
hmm I do think it's gonna go a bit
or
higher
for the
though. I want to sell.
a little higher. Yeah. Oh,
Okay,
it did.
maybe I sell now. I
I'm already
do.
in.
Let me sell. Let me sell. Let me sell.
Order filled.
You missed it.
I'm in.
Hey,
I have a late entry, but
I have a really late entry.
I am risking all the profits that I made on this
Mm-hmm.
trade.
To make more.
Yeah, it's either the profits that I made or
I'm trying to
we
make 300 today.
win.
Ajay.
I will target the low this time. There's no reason for me to go even lower. We're still in that 1 minute fair value gap. As long as it doesn't get inversed, I think we should be good.
Think here.
We also got that.
Jesus Christ. Bro.
Yeesh.
Heaven.
Bro, I'm in the
Oh my
same
god.
trade, bro. I'm literally in the same trade.
I just got in the
Order
same
filled.
trade, boys.
I'm out.
It's about
Fuck
hey.
that. I lost, bro. You got it, bro. Niggas to the sell.
Bro, I literally took the
Oh,
same trade, bro. I sell now. It stops at that high.
Order filled.
It's kind of
I knew
scary
you wanted to.
because we inverse that fair value gap,
Can go
but
back up.
it looks like we're respecting the the equilibrium, coming into equilibrium, and you know, but the trend overall is still down and down in my opinion.
Bro, I'm like this. I have a bad feeling about this trade happening.
Hey, bro, this is my strategy: break, retest, sell. Stops to break
Alright,
even.
bro.
I'm break even
Yeah, I'm a break even too, boy.
because
It's going down.
it's not worth it to now lose when we're already up so much. I was not supposed to put 2 cons. I guess it was a little bit of FOMO, but I'm gonna trust my strategy and hold the trade. Securing 600 right now.
I'm secure 580. Bro, it's about to hit. It's about to hit my 1,007. It's about to hit 1,007. Come on.
I was supposed to be.
Yeah,
I know,
Kenny.
I heard
you.
This is why you trust.
I mean, bro. Sometimes I have to do what I have to do. Because
Yeah, no, I understand.
was a-
I understand. I might start trailing just
Yeah.
because of the way the momentum is. This is my take profits. So it's like, yeah, I'm out.
Good shit.
I made 1,000. I made 1,173. So obviously I'm copy trading,
Your shit.
and in total I've made $1,300 apparently across what 10 accounts. Yeah, my Lucid. So these are my Apex, which somehow they're coming back alive. This one doesn't count right here, so I guess we take out like 2K. So let's say we made 10K on the day. I won't be trading heavy though. Like today was a good day. Tomorrow
You gotta do light.
tomorrow I'll probably do like 500. The next day 500, 500, 500. I'm not trying to do like $1,000 every single day. No, I just want to be consistent. That was a good trade. That was a really good trade.
Yeah, it was a good trade, bro. It was good. I'm not mad.
Yeah, I'm done for the day. I think we trade New York. I'll try to make like 500, risking like 250. I do need to bring my Apex back into profit. Right now they're like 100. They're like $90 into drawdown. So if I could bring that up, that would be nice. So these are my Lucid accounts. Already passed. I'm up 1,116. So that's that. And then my Apex accounts, which I only have 4 of, those are passed that I did pass. The other 16 got blown, but these ones got saved somehow. Don't know how. They're about to be back in profit. That's why I want to make 500 every single day to get these accounts to like 3K. So in total, if we're gonna do the math, let's say 1,100 times what 10 accounts.
10, yeah, that's like
11K on the day. 11K on the day, taking 3 trades, and that's only for Asia session. All right, guys, with that out of the way, that was actually our first successful trade. I did not expect us to actually win on the first trade. It's crazy, but I thank the Lord that we did, and I pray that we continue to win. I don't know if I'm going to actually trade in New York. I will hop on the charts, talk to the boys, tell them what I see, what my entry would be personally, but because I've already won, I don't want to give the profits back to the markets. But if there is a good setup and I do like the setup that I see, I'll probably hop into the trade with less sizing, hella less sizing. Because it's more volatile in New York, I'm not gonna use 1 or 2 contracts because that's just way too much during New York. But in Asia, we don't move, price does not move as much as it should. So that's why I would even go as far as use 5 contracts. Yeah, I do believe that I could have executed this trade a little bit better, considering that after I won, I took a loss. I knew price wanted to take that low, just that at least that low, and I just had to execute on that trade, and I did not want to see that shit run without me, and I was right. We took the low, the trend was clearly down. We have taken a high. We're respecting my strat. And if you guys don't know where my strat is, I think I made a YouTube video. It wasn't all that in depth, but it's okay. We're up on the day, 10K. Let's say we're up 10K on the day, and I made $1,000. Now keep in mind, I'm not gonna be taking these types of trades every single day. Like if the opportunity presents itself and gives me that opportunity to make 10K again, like $1,000 across all my accounts, then sure. And we do gotta consider that for the accounts are already in drawdown for my Apex accounts, so we can subtract 4,000 from that, which is like 6K. Realized profits. Definitely could have executed on the trade better. That was a little bit of FOMO, I would say, but I really believed in the trade and I really believed in the setup because all the confluences were there and we were respecting a bearish order flow. So that's the reason why I kind of executed on tilt 2 contracts on the minis and took it to where I took it to and called it a day. Today was a win. We'll say today's session was a win, and we still have new wood to trade. So I'll see you guys in the morning, and we'll see if we take a win or a loss. Glory be to God that we won today, and I pray we don't get all the profits back. We're not. We'll give like 200 back. Okay, we'll give like 200 back.
I really the shooter. Cause the one nigga finally gun lives forever. And I've been hustling all day, every day, night and rain. Way. Money trees is the perfect thing to say, and that is how I feel. Hey bro, I'm down to take a trade with you right now. I'm willing to risk the profit I just made for a trade. So
I mean, the only thing that I see that makes sense is a 1 minute fair value gap that price can fill and then go back up.
yeah,
But
so
like the take profit is the problem because this does look like a liquidity run. Yeah, that is definitely a run. Okay, yeah, I think I do like the buys from there. I can take it to the next high, the next 15-minute
on
high.
NQ.
Yeah, on NQ.
Do we have any 1 minute entry that we can use to enter
Yeah,
on buys?
the fair value gap.
So you see
Order filled.
how nowadays I've been, analyzing things by myself and then doing everything. But I think you guys need to help me. When it gets to that time, I'll be using you guys your signals because I'm actually analyzing by myself.
But it took a loss.
So what do you say? Yes, it's coming
Order
soon.
filled.
I think we have a fill in the 1 minute. We can buy from here if you want, or you want it to come way lower. What do you think?
I mean, yeah, we could put our stop loss at that low. I like it.
All right, so
It looks like we've been.
New York. Let me calculate my risk to reward.
Looks like we inverted that 5 minute though.
Yeah, we did. So what are you thinking?
I want to see if price can do a pullback. I think I'm gonna switch my bias. I don't know. I mean, that low still hasn't been taken yet. You want to enter?
But like, no, not right. Like if it breaks the low, if it takes our
Order
stop
filled.
loss, I think that means we are still going for sales. I think we'll change our bias to sales.
I'm in for sales off the inversion. It looks like they're
Yeah, I
having. I'm about
Yeah, I
to
think the sales will be better.
get it out real quick because I
Order
think we're
filled.
about to fill this fair value gap and then continue lower.
Wait, I think here should be the best place to sell. I think this needs to be a freestyle. If we just
Trail
take
and
it to any
shit.
amount we yeah. I think that's what we need to do right now.
Alright, I'm in for sales right now.
You don't have any. You don't have any.
I'm missing like 280.
How many coins?
5 micros.
Okay, wait for 3 micros. I think we need to get into freestyle. Let's let it go when it gets to it.
So guys, my reasoning for this trade, the reason why I entered shorts was obviously I first wanted to go long, but after seeing price was not respecting bullish order flow, I decided to take shorts instead. I realized that we had just swept the 2 highs that we had and then we could not take the other high above. So I was thinking price wanted to go lower. We had that break of market structure shift at the low showing us that price wanted to go lower. And then we had that fair value gap that I had obviously entered on and expecting price to keep going lower from there. And my target, the reason why I was even shorting from there is because I thought that more buyers were still at the bottom of market open. I wanted to short down into it, and that's basically my reasoning. I'm going break even here.
Yeah, too. They're the same thing.
Heaven, where's your TP?
Yeah.
Bro, my TP is
Yeah,
at this
yeah.
low.
Oh!
We actually don't have a TP right now. We don't have a proper TP.
Yeah, we don't
We're just
really have a
installing
TP
it.
because,
It's just
because there's no low. Like, there's no low we could take it to.
yeah,
There's
bro. Because
nowhere.
this shit's wicked. It's because of how it opened, bro.
Yeah, so I mean, it's a big imbalance, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of orders getting ready to get filled at these lows. So taking sells makes sense to me. I'm kind of scared on what's gonna happen at this low,
Oh yeah, that's
because
So you can take some profits. You can take some profits.
it's gonna be baby profits. I don't like baby profits.
Heaven's going to take it to the low.
Bro, I'm going to take it to the low, bro. I think I'm gonna get stopped.
Bro, we'll be there. I'll be there soon. Don't worry.
Oh yeah, CPI is tomorrow, and then federal funds rate
filled.
is
Alright,
tomorrow.
I'm out.
Also,
Sorry that the video is long, but I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next session. I'll be posting the video whilst, I'll be editing and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. So.